see here the use of decimals in the metric units. Some of the metric units like measuring length, weight and capacity and counting the amounts, we are using how to use the decimals. We can see with these examples. If suppose 1 centimeter is converted into the meter, if 1 centimeter is converted into meter, how many meters it is converted into? So here in 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So what we can do? 1 divided by 100 it is. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 centimeter. So it becomes 0.01 meter. It means that after the decimal points, after how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. Just from right side, just can after the 2 digits, you just can put the point. 2 zeros, 2 digits after the point I have written. In that way, we can write here. So 1 meter is equal to kilometer. 1 meter you can convert into kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters are there? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter is there. So 1 meter becomes 1000 kilo, 1 upon 1000 kilometers. 1 upon 1000 kilometers. So how can we write here? Just what we can do here? 3 zeros are there. After the 3 points we can put here 1, 0, 0. 3 digits, put the point here. That's all. This is 1 meter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer is there. Okay. So for measuring the weight or mass, we are using gram and kilograms. For how to convert this gram and kilogram, let me see with this example. Let it is 7 gram equals to how many kilograms? So you know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So here 7 divided by 1000 gram it is. Okay. So 7 gram becomes 7 divided by 1000 kilogram it is. So let me see here that how can we write 3 digits are there. After the here first digit is 7. After the 3 digits we have to put the point. 1 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits, put the point. Okay. So this much of kilogram is there. 7 gram 0.77 0.007 kilogram is there. In 7 gram 0.007 kilogram is there. In 345 gram, how many kilogram is there? So this 345 kilogram divided by 1000 kilogram. Why? Because we have to divide by 1000? Because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 is there. So that 345 divided by the 1000, it becomes after the 3 digits we have to put the point. 1 digit, it is 2 digit, 3 digits, put the point. So it becomes 0.345 kilogram is there. Before it is 1 paise. In 1 paise, how many rupees are there? In 1 paise, how many rupees are there? You know that in 1 rupees there are 100 paise. In 1 rupees there are 100 paise. So 1 paise is equal to how many rupees? Then 1 divided by 100 paise you can do that. Then what will be the answer here? After the how many digits we have to put the point? After the 2 digits we have to put the point. 1 then 0. 2 digits are there, just put the point here. This much of rupees you will get that. Okay. Means 0.01 rupees is there. 0.01. So here 2 rupees and 5 paise is there. 2 rupees and 5 paise. Here 2 rupees as usual we can write. Okay. So then 5 paise. 5 paise means plus 5 paise means 5 divided by 100 paise. It means that what you will get here 2 point. Here after the how many digits we have to put? Put the point 2 digits. Here 1 digit and 1 more digits we have to. Then we have to put the point. So in this way we have to write the amount. Okay. So then next one what we can do here? It is 5 liter 732 milliliters is there. Okay, 5 liter 732 milliliter. So we can write here 5 liter as it is, then plus sign. 732 divided by 1000. Why we have to divide with 1000? Because 1 liter becomes 1000 milliliter. So then next one what we will get? 5 liter plus 7. After how many digits we have to put the point? 3 digits. 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, put the point. 0.732. So then what we will got? What we'll get here? 5.732 liter we will get. Okay. So in this way we have to convert the decimals in metric. We have to use the decimals in metric units. Okay. We are going to see here the addition and the subtraction of the decimals. Let me check here how to add and subtract the decimal points. Here 10 kg and 20 gram. It means that here we can write it is kg and here we can write here it is gram. So here 10 kg is there, so we can write here 10 point, here we can write grams. And then next one 15 kg and 700, we can write here 15 kg and here 875 grams. 875 grams. Now we can add these. Okay, we can add these all. Let me see here, that is 0 and 5 becomes 5. 2 plus 7 becomes 9 and here nothing means take 0 and 8 plus 0 becomes 8. So then next one we can see here 10 kg plus 15 kg, 0 plus 5 kg becomes, it is 5 and 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 25 kg, we can write here 25 kg, 895 gram. So another way we can write here 10.02, the 10 kg and 20 gram becomes, we can write here 10.020 kg and next we can write here 15 kg 875 gram becomes 15.875 grams kg we can write here and then we can add here now. 0 plus 5 becomes 5, 2 plus 7 becomes 9 and 0 plus 8 becomes 8. So point is there, we can put the point. Then 0 plus 5 becomes 5, 1 plus 1 becomes 2. We can write the answer. We got the answer here 25.895. 25.895 we got the answer. Likewise, we have to solve the second question, it is that is 115 kg and 218 gram. So we can write 115.218 gram. So the totally we can say here kg. Okay. The next one 25 kg 682 grams. So we can write here 25.682 kg we can write here. Okay. Then we can what we can do here, we can add now. Okay. Let me see here 8 plus 2 becomes 10. 10 of 0 1 carry. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 plus 8 becomes 10. 10 of 0 again 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 6 becomes 9. 9 we can write. Point is there, put the point. The next one 5 plus 5 becomes 10 of 0 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 becomes 4 and 1 is there 1. Answer we got 140.900. 140.900 kg we got the answer. Okay, so in the same way we can do the next question here. Subtract 95 liter and 28 liter 805 milliliter. So 95 liter we can write it as 95.000 liter we can write here. And the next one 28 liter and 805 milliliter. 805 milliliter means 28.805 we can write here, and then now we can subtract it. Here now 0 minus 5 not possible. We can bring 1 from here 0. It is also 0. It is also 0. We can bring 1 from here. Here 4 remains. Here 4 remains. Here it becomes 9. 1 we can send here 9 and here it becomes 10 here. Okay. So then 10 minus 5 becomes 5. 9 minus 0 becomes 9. 9 minus 8 becomes 1. Here the point is there. Put the point. Here it is 4. 4 minus 8 not possible. We can bring 1 from here. Here 8 remains and here becomes again 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 becomes 6 and 8 minus 2 becomes also 6. So the answer we got is 66.195 liter. 66.195 liter. So in this way we can add or subtract the decimals number. Okay. Next we can see here find multiplication and the division of the decimals we can see here. The question is find 2.75. Solution we can see here. Let me check how to solve this. 2.71 multiplied by 5. How to find the multiplication of the decimals? Let me see here. First what we can do, directly we can write here 271 as it is, not to consider the point here. Okay, and then 13 we can write here. Now we can check after the decimal points. After the decimal points, how many digits are there? 1, 2. So after the 2 digits we can put the point. 1 digit, 2 digits. Here we can put the point. What we got the answer here? Answer we got it is 13.55. We got the answer. 13.55 we got the answer. सबसे पहले करना क्या है, इन दोनों को पॉइंट में कंसीडर बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई कर लेना है और आपको जो आंसर मिलेगा उतने कितने डिजिट्स डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं उतनी ही फ्रॉम राइट साइड से उतनी ही डिजिट्स के बाद आपको पॉइंट दे देना है, बस खत्म, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वी कैन सी द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज 0.5 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11.2. आपको करना क्या है, सिंपली जस्ट व्हाट यू कैन डू, 5 you can write and 112. You can multiply 5 with 112. पहले ही बोला मैंने आपको डेसिमल पॉइंट को पहले कंसीडर नहीं करना है, बाद में उसको जो जितने भी डिजिट्स डेसिमल के बाद थे उतने ही डिजिट्स के बाद आपको पॉइंट देना है, ठीक है. Then 5 2s are 10 of 0, 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 becomes it is 6 and 5 1s are 5 becomes it is 560. So decimal point, after the decimal points, how many zeros are there? How many points are there after the decimal? Here after the decimal 1 point is there and after the decimal 1 point is here. Means 2 points after the decimal is there. 1 point, 2 point, here you can put the point. What we got the answer, it is 5.60 we got the answer. 5.60 we got the answer. The same way we can solve the division examples also. For example 14.49 it is and which is divided by 7. तो इस टाइप के जब क्वेश्चंस होते हैं आपको करना क्या है, simply you just can convert these questions like this. You can convert. For example 14.49 divided by 7 it is. We can convert this. Firstly we can convert this into the decimal point, otherwise आप डायरेक्टली क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हो. जैसे कि यहाँ पर देख लो, this 14.49 we can write here. Okay, so then 7 in 7 step, while 14 is there, yes, 7 2s are 14. Directly we can solve this one. 7 2s are 14, we can subtract now. 4 minus 4 becomes 0, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Next one, it is point is there, put the point, take 4 at the downside. Okay, but here what is happening here, but 4 is smaller than 7, so we can take 0 here and another digits we can take it downside. Now we can take 7 7s are 49 and then now we can subtract it. 9 minus 9 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. So in this way we can find out the next decimal, find out dividing of the decimal, division of the decimal. What we got, that is 2.07. और एक मेथड है इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए. और एक मेथड क्या है आपके पास सॉल्व करने के लिए, सिंपली आपको करना क्या है, लाइक डेसिमल्स में कन्वर्ट करके लेना है. जैसे अभी 14.49 था और डिवाइडेड बाय 7 है, तो यहाँ पर करना क्या है आपको, सिंपली ये जो पॉइंट है, पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है, 2 डिजिट्स, इसे भी लाइक डिजिट्स में, लाइक डेसिमल्स में कन्वर्ट करके ले लो, 2 जीरो ऐड करके ले लो. देन व्हाट यू विल गेट, दैट इज 1449 यानी मींस 1449 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. अभी आपको क्या करना है, पॉइंट को अभी कंसीडर नहीं करना है. व्हाट वी गॉट हियर 2 जीरो, आपको 2 जीरो सामने ले लेना है. अभी सिंपली आपको 1449 को 1449 को 700 से डिवाइड करके लेना है. जैसे यहाँ पर देखेंगे हम 1449. लेट मी डिवाइड हियर. 700 ones are 700, 700 twos are 1400, 700 twos are 1400. What we got here, that is 49 is remains. Subtract it and we'll get that 49. Okay, so 49 is smaller than 700, so just can put the point and take 1 0. Again 490 again it is smaller than 700, so put 0 and take one more 0 here. Now we can take here 7 sevens are 49 0. Then subtract it, you will get that 0 0 means 2.07. Here also you will get, in this way also you will get that 2.07 is the answer you will get again. So we can see here the fourth question, 7.75 divided by 0.25. सबसे पहले आपको करना क्या है, इसको डिवीजन फॉर्म में लिख कर लेना है. 7.75 divided by 0.25. अभी आपको डेसिमल पॉइंट हटा देना है, डेसिमल पॉइंट्स आपको निकाल देना है, then it will remain, because यहाँ पर after the decimal points 2 digits are here and here also after the decimal points 2 digits are here. It means it is like decimals. So we can write here 775 divided by 25. अभी simply आपको 775 को 25 से divide करना है. 775 you can divide by 25. Okay, so we can see here 77 will not comes in 25 table. So smaller than that we can take here the 75. 25 threes are 75 we can take. So here 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 becomes 2. 7 minus 0, 7 becomes 0. Next we can take 5 downside here. Then 25 ones are 25 ones are 25. Next we can subtract 25 minus 25 becomes 0. So what we got here, the answer it is 31. इससे पहले हम क्या कर रहे थे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हमें क्या करना पड़ रहा था, जितने डिजिट्स के बाद आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट्स हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर, वो ही डेसिमल पॉइंट्स राइट साइड में आंसर आने के बाद राइट साइड में पॉइंट देना पड़ रहा था, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पर डिवीजन में क्या है पॉइंट देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ओके